Okay guys, so I received another parcel and it's gonna be another unpacking, and it's a spot welding machine, and let's get to it. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Ooh. Okay, that's a box in a box. The little box. Okay, alright, so that's something. Let's see what's there. Oh, looks like, yeah, foot control, yeah, foot switch, good, very good. Let's unwrap it. Yeah, good. That's it. Let's see, what do we have here? Alright, few fuses, few ends for spot welding. Alright, the key. Good. How's that? No idea. Oh, okay. So that's nickel plated iron. Yeah. Nickel plated iron sheets. That's good. We can try it out. Okay, that's a big one. Oh, and that's a cell holder with magnets. Where do I have some few cells? Let me grab here. Yeah. Alright, so it holds. So you can put it like that. This cell is a bit longer, so you can't do anything here. Alright. Okay, but these ones are fine. They're holding quite well. I don't think I'm gonna use this, but oh well. That's fine. Let's see. Oh, that's an iron. So this spot welder is with iron. The cable is not so good, but it's okay-ish. It has a little flexibility, but not much. Okay. So let's put these on a side. What do we have here? Alright, so yeah, that's for soldering iron. So holder and a sponge. And a sponge holder. Yeah. And a few screws, a few bolts. Yep. Okay, that's good. Goes like this. Okay. Alright, and that's yeah. So that's why I paid a bit more to get this, because when you spot weld the big battery pack or big battery, you need to access now. So that's it. That's good. All right. That's the model. If you focus, yeah. So Sunkko handwell welding pen. Okay. Here, hand welding pen. Okay, that's not empty. It has something in. Some bit. It's probably nothing. Cut wire, or it's another. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Let's see here. So we have instructions and everything. Yeah, looks good. Everything in English. That's a relief. Yeah. Okay. Let's put it somewhere else. This is probably warranty. Yeah, as you can see, I can't read. Okay, let's take this out. There's nothing left. Put it all back. Put it on the side. And let's see what we have here. Okay. That's something. Probably test. You can see marks here. Yeah. Okay. Let's take it. Alright, that looks alright-ish. Yeah. Oh. Take this out. And some writings over here, which again I have no idea. Oh, there's a English. Okay, spot welder power supply hint. All the pulse spot welder use power supply circuit to instant offer millisecond pulse high welding output. Okay, we're not interested in that. It's have to be, yeah, have to be good contact and so on and so on. We will see. In power line leakage we have all of that. Leakage protection. Okay. So here we have two cables, PA and out. Okay, or pen output. Okay, looks quite nice. Let's try to do something with it, shall we? Let's power on first. Okay, that's on. Soldering iron. So let's connect soldering iron. Okay, that's good. And let's power iron. So iron is powered on. Nothing works. Why is it? Oh. Okay, my power went off when I turn the welding on, though it shouldn't get any. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, apparently my fuse to this socket is 16 amps, which is not good enough. I need 32 amps, so I'm gonna move a bit and we'll see. But only it's one strange thing: if I turn it on, straight away it does something, which I wouldn't expect that. I would expect until you press this or press this, it won't do anything, it won't draw any current, but we'll see. Okay, so let's move somewhere where it has 32 amp fuse and let's try that. Okay, so nickel plated strip, and let's turn it on. Yeah, it's on, and let's try spot weld it. It's marker on 4. I have no idea what that means in this situation, but let's see. So let's put it like this. Let's put it and pebble. Up. Let's see. Yeah, pretty good weld, I would say. Yeah. Very good weld. Yeah. Very good weld. Okay, good. Okay, but my purpose was to spot weld a fuse wire. Yeah, and I'm going to try to do that right now. Okay, something like this. Oh, that was too much, I think. Yeah, that was too much. So I will, but it welded okay. Yeah, it's quite good. Actually, it was quite good. Let's try positive side, and I would put on current set on 3. Okay, and I would like that. Let's see, and let's try. I probably should put only one electrode on this. Let's put it here like that. So one electrode here and one electrode on the battery itself. Perfect. No, not perfect. Let's go to 3.5 and one electrode here and another on the battery itself. Yeah, quite good. Let's make another weld to make it a bit better. No, it's still on 1. Let's put a bit more current, 4 again, but only 1. No, it doesn't want to go. Yeah, so the first one holds pretty well, but the second one doesn't want to. Let's try again. No. No. Yeah. Let's put a bit more. 5. Only 1. Still no. Oh, that should be alright. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now 2 spots welded. I think that should be more than enough. 1 spot is enough, but 2 spots, very good, very sturdy. Yeah. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please like if you like it, subscribe, and yeah, let's see on the next video when I would probably do a battery pack spot welded with Tesla like fuses, and yeah, see ya.